Hi again, guys. This is a direct continuation of the previous video. Okay, so what I am interested here is to talk to you about your topic, okay, your topic, your subtopics, and how you can format that easily. Okay, so let's imagine this is your proposal, okay, and definitely the first thing is your chapter one. So chapter one is about introduction. Okay, please bear with me. We will further improve on the how it looks later on. Okay, so if you have chapter one introduction, the general rule is for it to be center and has to be bold. Okay, so you have for me personally, before you go direct to 1.1, okay, because this is an introduction, so give some introduction about your topic, very general one, okay, very general one about whether it's an issue or it's a background, okay, it totally depends on you. Okay, so let's say that this is your first the first paragraph is a little bit on your topic, a little bit introduction about your topic, and then you go to 1.1. So what people usually do is to type it yourself, okay, 1.1, and if you follow my formatting, 1.1 is background of study. Pay attention to the first word of um, each first article, okay, in the subtopic. Okay, so background of study, B is caps and S is also in capital letter, okay, and that should be bold as well. Okay, so usually what people do, I know a lot of people do this, it's not wrong, okay, it's totally normal. So we just type it, okay, so let's say that is 1.1 and then let's say that is 1.2. 1.2 is problem statement, okay, and again you bold that. Okay, so general look, have a look there. Looks nice, isn't it? So the font is good, you have the margin right, you have your bold, the subtopics, okay? And so I don't know if you catch what I did or not. So after you type 1.1, use tab, okay, on your keyboard, okay? And then type the background study, okay? And that will give you a uniform line, all right? So let's say here is your chapter 2. Okay, so usually different chapters will start at a different page. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is insert. Okay, um, oh sorry guys, go to, yeah, insert page break. Okay, and it will directly bring you to the next page. Okay, you don't have to enter all the way. And you will type chapter 2 method literature review, sorry. Okay, so again, select that, go to central, okay, go to center and then bold that. Okay, so have a look there, doesn't it look nice? Okay, doesn't it look easier on the eyes? Okay, so try to follow the guides that the graduate school has already prepared. Okay, it's really easy to follow, okay? And I think you guys can, this is something that you can bring even later on while you're working. Words, you will definitely use it a lot, okay guys? So practice from now with your proposal and then your FYP, and everything will come naturally, okay? So stay tuned. The next video is actually something that I find really interesting. So we're gonna use styles, okay? And I hope you can enjoy that, okay? And thank you for watching. Bye.